you know?
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern New Hanover County in southeastern North Carolina, southwestern Pembroke County in southeastern North Carolina, northeastern Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina until 5:45 p.m.
Great.
At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Phoenix or near Leland and is near.
Wow, it's right near me.
Hazard.
Just to my north.
Per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern New Hanover County in southeastern North Carolina, southwestern Pembroke County in southeastern North Carolina, northeastern Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Phoenix or near Leland. Radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Leland, Northwest, Beta Aurora, Bishop, Town Creek, Phoenix, Winnebago, Belleville, Novassa, and Sandy Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room.
Gotta love when it's for you. Also, here's some bonus for that SVR that we just heard. Look at that. Wicked.